The automobile industry is one of the key drivers that boosts the economic growth of India. Today, India is the largest two-wheeler market in the world, and there is a continuous upsurge in demand, thus resulting in growing production and sales volume. Due to the accelerated women's advancement in the society, the female consumer market is also increasing. To meet these demands, Yamaha Motor made its initial foray into India in 1985. In 2008, India Yamaha Motor Private Limited was established. In April 2013, two functionally independent corporations, Yamaha Motor India Sales and Yamaha Motor Research and Development India, were established. Yamaha's aim is to establish itself as the exclusive and trusted brand of customers by creating candor, touching their hearts the first time and every time. With world-class products and services delivered by people who have a passion for delighting customers. Yamaha focuses on making a difference to the lives of its four key stakeholders: society, government, employees, and its customers. Yamaha cares about the betterment of the society and has sought to better it through the Yamaha Family Safety Program and Yamaha Children's Safety Program. In line with the government's Skill India initiative, Yamaha has sought to train people and generate employment through various Yamaha training schools across the country that train people in Yamaha technology. Yamaha's employees are its biggest asset, thanks to their technical know-how. Women empowerment is at the center of Yamaha's employee policies, something that is validated through Yamaha's unique Pink Line, which only employs female employees. Yamaha loves its customers and works every day to provide customer delight through its promotions, its products, and its after-sales services, also aided by the strong support it receives from all its stakeholders. Yamaha is striving towards its big 10-year vision to grow alongside a growing India. A company which cares, always going that extra mile, empowered by a passion for innovation. Over the years, Yamaha has revved the hearts of its customers. Always, yes Yamaha. Through its products, promotions and CSR activities, Yamaha has reached out to both urban and rural segments. IYM's manufacturing facilities comprise 3 state-of-the-art plants at Surajpur, Uttar Pradesh, Faridabad, Haryana, and Chennai, Tamil Nadu, alongside a new factory in Chennai, which is the largest Yamaha factory in the world. A highly customer-driven organization, Yamaha has a countrywide network of over 2,800 customer touchpoints, including 600 dealers. Alongside this are 949 private workshop owners, PWOs, and a widespread distributor network of 24 parts distributors. The Yamaha Global Shop is where all Yamaha products, including accessories, are showcased. These are exclusive showrooms and are different from other dealer showrooms. This is the first global concept showroom in India. Yamaha provides high-quality sales, service, spare parts, and customer satisfaction for all Yamaha India products under a single roof. This also includes the Zippy Music Circle. The Yamaha Training School project was started to take forward its big 10-year vision by imparting training to underprivileged youths and females about Yamaha technologies, and by doing so develop professional technical doctors. Currently, a total of 29 YTSs are operational and another 8 are in the making, bringing the sum total to 37 Yamaha training schools across India. So far, there have been a total of 462 YTS graduates, out of which 370 people are employed by Yamaha dealers, including 22 females. Yamaha is the first and only two-wheeler company to get NCVT certification on its two-wheeler technician course, which is in line with the Skill India program as prescribed by the Government of India. The superior quality of the program is validated by Yamaha's performances at the National Technician Grand Prix, the first of which was held in India in 2010. Yamaha has been organizing the National Technician Grand Prix every year and has witnessed a steady increase in participation every year. The winners of NTGP are given representation at the World Technician Grand Prix, with 2 consecutive NTGP winners going on to win the World Technician Grand Prix Championship in 2014 and 2016. India is the first country in the world to win consecutive awards in this category. Motorsports has been an integral part of Yamaha's corporate culture since its incorporation. It represents the spirit of challenge, a trait that Yamaha values very highly. This is validated by the fact that Yamaha has been organizing racing championships in India since 2008, with the aim of inculcating the true spirit of racing within the country. As of today, Yamaha conducts 2 racing activities in India. Yamaha One Make Race. Started in 2008, Yamaha conducts Yamaha One Make Race annually in association with the Federation of Motorsports Clubs of India, FMSCI. National Championship Sparks Racing. Yamaha sponsors Group D of the National Championship in the Stock 165 category and has won the title consecutively for 3 years in 2014, 2015 and 2016. In 2015, Yamaha launched the R3 in India. The R3 created a formidable reputation in the market for itself through its media test rides, eventually going on to win the India Design Mark in 2017. When it comes to the road sporting activities, Yamaha has set new standards. In 2014, it conducted Mission 10,000 kilometers, a nationwide ride with 20 bikers on the Yamaha FZS FI. Traveling through the east and west coasts of India. On the way, the riders discovered various aspects of the country, from its food to its people, from its culture to its languages. All this while experiencing the true meaning of fun and eco on the Yamaha FZS FI. Mission 10,000 kilometers, a path-breaking promotional activity that yielded great dividends, as today the FZ is India's most popular sports bike with over 1.3 million units sold. Yamaha has been progressively focusing on their female customers and has also stressed on providing job opportunities to female staff at their factories and R&D centers, thus making a contribution towards the society by encouraging and enabling women empowerment. Alongside this, Yamaha has to its credit several CSR initiatives which stress on safety for people in all age groups, like the YCSP, Yamaha Children's Safety Program. Kids are the future riders of Yamaha. Through YCSP, Yamaha inculcates proper road safety awareness among the kids to transform them into more responsible citizens, thus paving the way for safer roads in India. Creative ways of incorporating road safety themes are used. The idea is to induce safety into their subconscious mind All this eventually aims to make children fans of Yamaha. Fans who will go on to grow up and become Yamaha customers. Way back in 2014, Yamaha introduced its mascot to the world, Zippy. Zippy is a mascot created by the kids, for the kids, helping them understand road safety in funny and interactive ways. Loved by all kids, Zippy rewards them with lots of gifts and goodies. Alongside this, Yamaha launched its new scooter, Alpha, ushering the beginning of its focus on Indian families. YFSP, Yamaha Family Safety Program, another CSR initiative, promotes and assists safety activities that help and prevent road accidents to a large extent. Here, uniquely designed programs connect with families to inculcate safe and responsible riding habits among all sections of the society. YFSP has been especially designed to aid female riders by providing a one-stop support package comprising riding training, test rides and purchase assistance, thus empowering Indian women with the power of easy mobility. YFSP also has a Zippy license support desk, enabling customers to easily apply for driving licenses. In 2014, Yamaha became the title sponsor of a nationwide beauty pageant, Miss Diva. This was a new venture for Yamaha and the beginning of its association with fashion. An association that went on to bring great rewards, as Yamaha Miss Diva Miss Asha Bhatt was crowned Miss Supranational in 2014. And in 2016, another Yamaha Miss Diva, Miss Srinidhi Shetty, won Miss Supranational. Yamaha's urban marketing strategy is to capture the hearts and minds of the fashionable youth of this country. To do this, Yamaha has revolutionized the scooter category with the fashion-centric Yamaha Facino and Gen Y's real boy scooter, Yamaha Razor. This focus has resulted in innovative promotional activities like the Facino Mall activity and the Razor Mall activity, which takes place across all major malls in the country. This includes on-the-spot makeovers, instant photos and cool photo jackets, all together creating an association between Yamaha and the fashion and swag of the youth. Yamaha has come up with products which are reasonably priced and designed to suit Indian roads, thus strengthening its position in the rural market. This is extremely important as rural areas have the largest potential in the two-wheeler market. In order to target these rural areas, Yamaha decided to reach out directly to the rural customer. Today, Yamaha provides 3S services at rural areas for building relationships with new customers and the village Sarpanch. As a part of Yamaha's on-ground market promotions, Yamaha has come up with a unique all-inclusive mega activation in the form of Yamaha Swag Bash. At the Yamaha Swag Bash, customers have the opportunity to experience the multiple facets that brand Yamaha stands for. Great sales offers on bikes and scooters, free service with 10-point checkups, bike wash and polish service, YCSP, YFSP and various product-related photo jacket activities. Topping all of this are the breathtaking stunts by FMX riders and blockbuster music performances by famous artists, upping the swag quotient of the public. Leveraging the heritage of brand Yamaha, Yamaha has also collaborated with Yamaha Music by providing customers with the touch and feel experience of Yamaha musical instruments and Yamaha band performances through the Zippy Band and Yamaha Music Demonstrators, all under the umbrella concept of two Yamahas, one passion. By doing all of this, Yamaha has sold more than 1,000 units in one single activation, creating a new record with regards to its one-to-one marketing and on-ground marketing promotions. Through such activities, Yamaha aims to create one Yamaha fan, a Yamaha fan who then becomes a loyal customer who then becomes a propagandist, and eventually aids in inviting new customers by making more Yamaha fans. It is this strategy that has helped Yamaha pave the way for continuous successes in the Indian market. But Yamaha India's journey has only begun. Yamaha will move forward towards its 10-year vision. Yamaha will move forward until it becomes number one. Revving the female customers.
Yes, Yamaha.
Revving the kids. Revving you through life. Yes, Yamaha.